What are the benefits of installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV?
Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the benefits of installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV. Let's dive right in.
What is Android TV?
Android TV is a powerful operating system developed by Google that runs on smart TVs, set-top boxes, and streaming devices. It offers a wide variety of features and apps that enhance the overall user experience compared to the default operating system on your Samsung Smart TV.
Why should I install Android TV on my Samsung Smart TV?
Here are some reasons why you should consider installing Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV. 1. Access to Google Play Store. Android TV offers access to the Google Play Store, providing a vast library of apps, games, and content that may not be available on the Samsung Smart TV platform. 2. Voice control with Google Assistant. Android TV is integrated with Google Assistant, allowing you to control your TV, search for content, and manage smart home devices with just your voice. 3. Frequent updates and improvements. Android TV receives regular updates from Google, ensuring that your TV remains up to date with the latest features, security patches, and bug fixes. 4. Chromecast built-in. Android TV comes with Chromecast functionality, enabling you to easily cast content from your mobile devices or computer to your TV without needing additional hardware. 5. User-friendly interface. Android TV offers a more user-friendly interface and customizable home screen, making it easier to navigate and find your favorite content.
Are there any drawbacks to installing Android TV?
It's important to note that there may be some drawbacks to installing Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV. 1. Loss of some Samsung-specific features. Some Samsung-specific features and apps may not be available or may not function properly after installing Android TV. 2. Potential warranty issues. Installing a custom operating system like Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV may void the manufacturer's warranty, so proceed with caution. In conclusion, installing Android TV on your Samsung Smart TV can greatly enhance your entertainment experience, giving you access to a wider range of content and features. However, be aware of the potential drawbacks and warranty issues before proceeding. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the benefits of Android TV for your Samsung Smart TV.